Sourcing chemicals from China has changed in recent years. Stricter environmental regulations mean tighter control on chemicals and more documents, permits, license, and audits. And this has meant that many Chinese chemical suppliers who are unable to meet the new regulations have closed down. And it's more challenging to find a reliable Chinese chemical supplier who meets all required audits. So if you are an international chemical company and you want to source chemicals from China effectively, you need to conduct a factory audit first to ensure that the manufacturer is capable of producing the required chemical products. And two, conduct a supply chain audit to ensure that the chemicals are transported and stored safely and securely. And three, carry out a compliance audit to ensure that the manufacturer or trading company comply with the relevant laws and regulations. By not using the factory, supply chain, or compliance audits, you may face with a range of issues that may impact your supply chain operation and your bottom line. Want to learn more about how Chemlyte can help you obtain the right audits and documentations you need to source from China? Write audit in a direct message to us today and we will answer any questions you may have.